Hey, do you want to learn how to download and install Comet AI Browser by Perplexity AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So right over here, I've got the Chrome browser opened up, and you need to search for Comet Browser. Now, the first link is probably going to be this. You need to press on it. This is by Perplexity AI. So click over here, and it's going to take you to the page where you can download Comet. So I'm going to press here on Download Comet. Welcome to Comet. You can press over here if the download is not started automatically. So you can see here, I've got the download done and I've got Comet installer latest.exe. I'm going to press on it and this window is going to open up. Let's click on start install. And there you go. The installation has been done. Let's click on launch Comet. Let's click on get started. Now over here, I'm going to import my profile from Chrome and click on import. Then I can select these colors, these orbs. This I think is your avatar, if I'm not wrong. So I'm going to press on moon here. I like this one. Then for the username, let's go with solve base. I think I'm going to go with the dark mode. And there's a pencil icon next to it. You can press on it and then you can change the colors for the browser. So I can make it blue. So the buttons and stuff is going to be blue. I'm going to make it red that way. Let's just go with blue here and then press on continue. Now there's one last step. You can open the Comet on startup, add Comet to your taskbar. Let's just select all of these and start Comet. If you do not like the sound that's coming in it, then you can press on this on the top right to disable the music. Let's press on start Comet. And there you go. We have now completely downloaded and installed Comet AI Browser on our PC. Now, once you've done it, on the top right, you can find Assistant, press on it. And the one really good thing about this Comet AI Browser is that it has this agentic view. So you can ask it to do things and it's going to do it for you. For example, I can say in Ask Anything over here, search PS5 on Amazon.com and put it in cart. So let's try it out. I'm going to press here to let it go. And it's going to locate the PS5 on Amazon.com. It's currently working. This view over here, I'm going to press on it. It's going to start doing it right around here. It's going to automatically search for PS5 right around here. It has detected PS5 and it's going to put it in the cart for you. There you go. It has put it in the cart. It has added the PS5 to the cart. And just like this, you can ask it to order it as well and a lot more. So in case you want to do something like this, you want the AI to perform actions for you, it can be done with this Comet AI Browser. And yeah, that's it. That's how to download Comet AI Browser by Perplexity AI. And I've also showed you one use case for it. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Comet AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.